I'm Sigourney Cantelo, and welcome to Beautiful Inside. I've been reporting on how to be beautiful on the outside for 22 years. As a journalist, I was beauty and health director at a variety of magazines, including Vogue Australia, before I launched my own website, Beauticate, a decade ago in 2014. Beauticate, a fusion of the words beauty and educate, takes us inside the homes and beauty routines of inspiring and influential people. We've had some amazing guests over the years tell us how they get gorgeous on the outside. Now I want to explore the concept of inner beauty as well. I was influenced to make this shift by my own mental health journey. Last year was a really tough year. I was grappling with parenting challenges, chronic pain, and anxiety, and I ended up in a treatment centre. And that set me off on my own journey of healing and self-care. It prompted me to look for people like me who are willing to tell their story. How do they care for their inner self while also attending to the outer? What have they learned about finding strength and courage and happiness in today's ever more challenging world? And what are the strategies that they've found to maintain that radiance, that joie de vivre, the inner spark that comes about when our minds and bodies are in balance? Come with me as we go inside the homes, routines, and inner lives of fascinating people. We'll discuss the science and psychology of beauty and self-care and give you the tools to look and feel the very best you ever have, inside and out.